Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hope you are doing well. My dear respected brothers and sisters, happiness is not achieving something what you want in your life. Happiness is to appreciate, to be satisfied, and to be happy what you have in your life. That is called happiness. And according to the verse of the Holy Quran, where Allah Almighty mentioned, La in shakartum la azidannakum. If you will be grateful to Allah Almighty, if you will be satisfied and be happy, then Allah Almighty will increase His bounties and blessings upon you. So we make dua, Allah Almighty grant us tawfiq to be satisfied and be happy what we have in our life instead of complaining what we don't have in our life. So thanks for watching this video. May Allah bless you, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.